Hey, Vinicius Brazil, and welcome to the virtual open house for 1465 Grant Road here in Los Altos. Obviously, this has been pre-recorded, and my whole goal here today is to walk you through the house, point out some things like closet space and areas of the house that you wouldn't be able to access via the photos or be able to access through the 3D online tour. So let's go inside, take a look, and see for yourselves. All right, so the entry of this house is here right on the side. It's got this little small formal entry. It's got hardwood floors, pretty much in the entire living space of the house, the exception being the kitchen and the bathroom areas. Pretty traditional layout here as you come in from this formal entry. And you've got a nice open living space, which includes the kitchen with a large bar. And I'll kind of wrap around here to give you a better look at that, how that feels. So we've got it staged with a sofa and love seat combination, a little work area here, and then of course a large peninsula that wraps around for dining, and good amount of storage cabinetry in the kitchen. So I just want to point out a few things. You know, the previous owner, or the current owner, I should say, has a screen here for movies, and he has a projector here with surround sound. So this is all going to stay in the house. Another thing to notice is this is where the return is for your central heating system. The house has central heating and central cooling, recessed lighting, all of them on dimmers. And it's a pretty simple layout. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. You've got the living space here, all open, leading to your backyard. And then this is the hallway. And right off the hallway, you've got the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. And let's go here first. So this is the larger of the 2 bedrooms, and it's got a pretty good sized closet with mirrored closet doors. I'm going to open this up right now so you can get a look. And it's got some closet organizers here. So a good amount of storage. And 2 windows in here, so pretty bright room. And right now that's a queen size bed. Got a lot of space here. And then we went ahead and set it up with a little desk area here. So enough space for a nice work area as well in this bedroom. And then into the hallway. One of the things you'll notice is there is a sun tunnel here. Got the lights on, but without the lights, it's actually pretty bright. So I'm not sure the lights are really adding much light. Sun tunnel does a good job. And of course, you're getting light from the patio door from the other bedroom. So the other thing I want to point out on the other side of this wall, we already saw that return for the heating system. There's another vent here for the return on this side. And here we are in the hall bathroom. So it's got a dual vanity. It's quite a sizable hall bathroom. Get a good look at it here. So you've got a separate shower enclosure here, and then you've got a jetted tub over here. And get a good look at this. All tiled, nice glass enclosure, fan, lighting, vent in the bathroom, some shelving here, and then vanity with separate drawers and a 2-sink base. So nice, comfortable bath. You've got a window here as well to get some natural light in. And then which leads us to the back bedroom. So the back bedroom, a little bit smaller than the other bedroom, but it also has a really nice closet here. And you can kind of see there's some closet organizers, a rod and a shelf there to hang your clothing. And that's also a queen size bed. I'll just kind of give you an idea of the space here on this side as well, so you can see it. So enough to fit a nightstand there and enough space to get in there. And then of course, really nice views of your big backyard. Let's go out the back. So you've got a back deck here. And adjusting the light here and walk you down towards the side so you can see a bit of the side of this house. See, there's quite a bit spacious. So if you wanted to do a garage that, a detached garage in the back and then maybe convert that other garage, that's a possibility. But a really good sized backyard here. So lots of potential to expand this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home into something larger, like a 3-bedroom with a big great room, or even a 4-bedroom with a nice master suite, either coming out here. You also got some space in the garage. And the garage is inset as well. You've got some space out in front, and we'll go over that. And you could even push that garage up. And then where the current garage is, add some living space, maybe connected to the kitchen, and kind of get an idea of the setback here on the side for your other side of the house. So setbacks are pretty big here. I haven't measured them, but definitely, close to 10 feet. Other side is maybe even more, maybe closer to 15 feet. And kind of get a good idea of possibilities here. So you've got a door to your garage there, and just came out of that patio door. We're going to go in here, which is off the kitchen, and then get back into the kitchen dining area and take a look at the garage here. So garage, it's a 2-car garage. I believe the square footage is a little over 400 square feet. And then this is the door that we saw on the back side that leads to the backyard. Over here, you'll notice the furnace. And then this door here is where the water heater is stored. Right there. And then of course you've got laundry inside the garage. It's got an automatic opener, roll-up door. And there's a window on the other side of that that's covered. And kind of get a look over here on this side, on the other side of this car. Car does not come with the property. And then your sprinkler timer is here for your irrigation system. Okay. So you've got an LG refrigerator with French doors, and then a bottom freezer. Pull-out drawers and ice maker. You've got a microwave here. You've got your 30-inch wall oven. And you've got a Jenn-Air gas range. Not necessarily range, but cooktop with the down hood or downdraft hood. So they've got the grill. You have different inserts for these where you can just put burners in, or you can have the grill insert. Here's what it looks like underneath for the downdraft. And over here, you've got a Lazy Susan. Cabinetry, looks like it's maple cabinetry on the outside. Concealed, kind of a European style cabinetry with flat faces. And I'll pull out some drawers for you to take a look at. You can take a look at the drawer construction. And then underneath the sink here, take a look. And washing machine. Look around the living room. So over here, you can see the driveway. It's actually quite a long driveway right over here. So potential to push out your garage, use that space for more living space and maybe another bedroom. And of course, a lot of space in the back to add on. Potentially making this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home into maybe a 3-4 bedroom bath with a lot of space. And with the open floor plan. So thanks so much for joining me on this virtual open house. I hope it was informative for you. You got a better look at the property and some of the features. One of the things I wanted just to point out is that we'll have the disclosures ready by Friday. So if you want to get access to those, you can find the link down below on this page. Otherwise, just email us or have your agent contact us, and we're happy to get that information over to you. If you've got any questions, want to schedule a showing, also feel free to reach out at info@thebrazilgroup.com, or you can give me a call directly at my cell phone, 408-582-3272. Thanks again. Best of luck out there.